Hello, my name is Alex Capon. I used to be president of ISEC France in 2009, and I just wanted to share with you about eBBF and ISEC and why they go well together, why we have a partnership at global level. During my ISEC years, one of the biggest benefits that I brought to my personal development and my life was getting to know myself better, developing a few soft skills and some hard skills that will be used later in my professional life. Uh, and also starting to understand how I can influence the business world in general and the institutions of society. But there is still a very large gap, you know. So when I got my first job in London at the Open University after ISEC with a traineeship, or when I joined PwC and during my first small steps, I really felt there was like some very unpractical things that I had to deal with, and I didn't have this support network. The alumni ISEC network is not necessarily to this level where he was able to support me in terms of values and morally, and also in terms of skills on how to deal with these issues. And I think most ISEC alumni face this clash. So that's why eBBF was a perfect timing for me at the end of my ISEC experience, and while I was doing my transition to become head of Latin American market for PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers now, and develop my coaching executive business. And eBBF really provided me the network, the inspiration, the good practices, the contacts for business, and it's like an ISEC, but at different level. But the values are there. So I strongly recommend all of you from ISEC France to take this opportunity to come to the CBF Congress in London, where I will be as well. See you there.